Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. Dell laptop Inspiron 15 5388 model. And guys, today I'll show you how to use 3 hard disks on this laptop. And any laptop or some laptop have this option for using the 3 hard disk, and any laptop you can use only 2 hard disk. So you can see here I have on M.2 hard disk, and I have external SSD or SDD hard disk, that 1 TB, and also I have 2 hard disks in this laptop, and then I can use the CD drive port, another hard disk. So if you want to use your another hard disk on this laptop, internal not external, you have to buy the CD drive room or ODR like this. You can buy from the online and you keep it your hard disk inside. So my drive was the slim, that's I have the metal one that's not working, that's why I changed the hard disk and put the inside like that. You can see guys, and I put in the CD drive. So now I will cover and put it in the CD drive, and then I close laptop, and you can see I using 3 hard disks. One laptop is 2 terabyte and one hard disk for Windows. M.2 is 256 GBs, and you can see guys it's working perfectly, and the 3 hard disks all is work. So first I will shut down the computer, and then we're going to install another hard disk on this laptop. So already shut down the laptop, and I will connect the CD drive hard disk. Now I have already 2 hard disk in the factory. 2 hard disk I set up this laptop, and now I have set up that hard disk is CD drive. You can see, be careful, you have to put it. And guys, now come back, and I have this laptop before 8 GB RAM, and I put it 16 GB RAM now, and before is SDD hard disk, and I put the M.2 hard disk, and it is working very fast speed. You can see guys how fast it's working now. Only 5 to 10 seconds your laptop is done open. And now I will go to computer and check the another hard disk is working. You can see here is I have 2 hard disks, so that hard disk is not showing. So how can you bring that hard disk in the desktop? You go to the computer, right click and go to the manage, and just wait and go to the disk management. So I go to the disk management, you can see here is the 3 hard disks guys. So another hard disk not working because this laptop Windows is UEFI boot. So you have to right click that hard disk and change the letter of drive name, and I change here the letter before F. I just change any other letter that I don't have in my computer, and after that you can see my hard drive is working. This 1 TB SSD also is full data, and that SDD 1 TB that is empty, and 256 GB hard disk have some files. So guys, this way you can install 3 hard disks in your own laptop, and this is the best and very easy to set up and working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day.